my wonderful people. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, leave a comment. Well, yesterday made it 1 year since the channel jumped off, and I want to thank all the subscribers then. Thank everybody. Truck Boss, Arizona Boss, Trini Boss, Country Girl, Country Boy, yo, Nuclear, Rebel, all of them on them, and all of the woman them. Well, we are talking about Tabby Diamond's son, Mr. Shaw. Word pon the street say, again, this are just word pon the street say, Windsor man them, Windsor Road man them, him do a thing and take out a top man, allegedly. And the man them get a call, say, him dep on the corner, the father, and circle. But like me I say, when you don't see how Jamaica stay, when the man them get a call, like me say, 90% of the slap with them will go on, or somebody dead set it up, or somebody even if I know directly, indirectly, meaning that yeah, him there so me go call them man there. So I know me do it, but I me make them know same there so. You understand? I saw murder thing go. Somebody family member, friend, them thing there. So word is him take out the man them get a call, say the daddy there, and boom. Go there, 6 people get caught up. You understand? And the daddy gone. So it seems like it's a blood feud and reprisal. Now, on the know saying in Jamaica there's a saying you can't catch Kwaku, you catch him shot. But at the same time, them not have no reason to hurt the man not have nothing to do with that. You understand? Mr. Tabby Diamond. Now, with that said, as the father and the son get caught up in a certain thing, you must know where I go on. And you must have an idea and you must communicate with him or communicate with somebody, the mother or whatever. Me don't know. So it's a very contrary situation. Because if me know say my son out there so I do certain things, I take with myself. And me I tell him say, yo, stop it. Would all probably send go call the man them way my war with and try make some peace, dog, because you don't see how little man them down they deal with it, yeah. Little corner man them and man them don't have nothing. Broke badness and bad mind badness. So that me would I do. But long story short, on the grapevine again, here say the son they are prison, I make link, and you soon have another reprisal. Yo, it crazy, and I that go on all the time. It's like a revolving door. And then 10, 15 years later, them not even know where them are war for. And that's the story. But the Tabby Diamond story is not a unique story, unfortunately. It's a common story throughout our country, throughout Jamaica. And it's a terrible problem. There have to be some kind of new way of dealing with dispute and disagreements. The government have to deep dive, yo, and, come up with something. A department of negotiation or something, ministry of negotiation for disputes, and dispatch some personnel down in these community for try settle with peace. Yo, if it take money, if it take whatever for build up the community, the government for do that. Yeah, them have a special task force, CTAC and this and that, and armed barracks, but them really might need a negotiation task force in the government for go down in them garrison and try deal with some kind of negotiation. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And if you subscribe, leave a notification button. Before I go, I want to say bless up to everybody, 1 year strong, and thank all the subscribers. And like me say, it's sad what happened to Tabby Diamond, and on the grapevine we hear say your reprisal might happen to him son, Jamal Shah. My name is Countryman. I'm out.